Hey guys! Today we're going to be going through the cell-mediated response on the OCR spec, and next week we'll be doing the humoral response.
So this is a diagram of the overview of the cell-mediated response, and it involves T cells. The T cells develop in the bone marrow but mature in the thymus gland. This response doesn't involve any antibodies and is only used when there's a change to a particular cell, so such as if there is a virus infection or a cancer developing. So what happens is the macrophage will see a pathogen in circulation and engulf it to form a phagosome. The phagosome binds to the lysosome within the macrophage to form a phagolysosome, with this happening, hydrolytic enzymes will break down the pathogen, and so there will be just its antigens present. And the MHC glycoproteins present inside the macrophage will bind to the antigen and then present it on the macrophage surface. So the macrophage will then become an antigen presenting cell. So then a T cell will come along, and its CD4 receptor present on its surface will have a complementary shape to the antigen being presented on the macrophage. And so when it binds, it will produce interleukins, which stimulates mitosis, and mitosis happens very rapidly to form 4 different types of cells. So the T helper cell that is formed will produce interleukins, which stimulate B cells to divide. However, we'll talk about B cells more next week. Also, T killer cells will be formed. T killer cells form perforin, which is a chemical that causes cell walls to break down on pathogens, which eventually cause them to die. They also produce T cells that stimulate phagocytosis, so that more pathogens can be engulfed and destroyed. And also T memory cells. So T memory cells remain in circulations and actually migrate to the lymph nodes. And when they recognise that there is another pathogen with the same antigen on its surface, it will divide rapidly to form T killer cells. So that will help the immune response to happen quicker to get rid of the pathogen before symptoms are produced.
So that's the cell-mediated response complete, and next week Daniela will be going through the humoral response, which is another immune response used with antibodies. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.